Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Google Trends Hub. Today, we're going to dive into some of the most interesting startups that showcase their innovative work at Google Cloud, next in Las Vegas. At this conference, Google announced its next-generation AI processing chip, called Ironwood, and its latest AI model, Gemini 2.5 Flash. But what's even more exciting is the long list of AI startups that have signed to use Google Cloud, including some of the most watched startups in the world. Let's start with Safe Superintelligence, or SSI for short. This startup was founded by OpenAI co-founder and former chief scientist Ilya Sutskever, giving it a pretty impressive pedigree. And then there's Enosphere, which has made the uber-popular AI-powered code editor Cursor. We know that Cursor is using Anthropic's Claude models on Google Cloud, a partnership that'll surely make its users very happy. But Cursor wasn't the only AI-powered tool showcased at Google Next. Hebbia is another startup making waves in the legal industry, using AI to search large documents and answer questions. And what's more interesting about this? It recently raised $130 million in Series B funding from investors like Andreessen Horowitz and Index Ventures, all of which could help fuel its use of Google's Gemini models. Then there's Magic, a startup building frontier models to automate coding as well as research. Given its 2024 fundraising round included Alphabet's Capital G and former Google CEO Eric Schmidt as investors, it makes perfect sense that it would choose Google Cloud for GPUs. We should see some incredible advancements in this area of AI soon. Another fascinating startup is Physical Intelligence, working on developing foundational software for robots. The list of co-founders reads like a who's who of robotics and AI experts, including solo investor extraordinaire Lackey Groom. Photorum also made its mark at Google Next, showcasing its innovative work in AI-powered photo editing using Google Cloud's VO2 video generating model and text-to-image model Imagen 3. Lastly, we have Synthesia, a startup that's revolutionizing the world of highly realistic AI avatars. We know that it recently raised $180 million at a $2.1 billion round led by NEA, with GV among its investors further solidifying Google Cloud's position as the go-to platform for these innovative startups. As we can see, Google is clearly collecting an impressive list of startups to bolster its race against Microsoft Azure and Oz, especially when it comes to AI workloads. And if that weren't enough, it also added Lightspeed to VC partners in addition to Sequoia and Y Combinator, granting them access to the platform's AI chips and models. But here's the best part. Google Cloud grants portfolio companies from its partner investors a chance to qualify for $150,000 in cloud credits. It has clear plans to convince even more rising star startups to join its cloud. So there you have it. Google is definitely stepping up its game when it comes to supporting and showcasing AI startups.